Hello guys, my name is Muhammad from Almarina.ae. I would like to speak about a revolutionary discovery, which is this is indicator system. This actually a market maker map. We have developed that indicator system and we made it work and function like that. It gives us more accurate, detailed details according to the orders and according to the levels of the market because this indicator system it has only um, two perspectives. The first perspective is the orders of the market, which is here, as you can see the green dots and the red dots. I will go through it in a short while, and we have these levels actually where the market is going. And the key level as well that we have here is the moving average 233 level. We call it the center moving average. If we are above 233, we are going to look for a buy opportunities. If we are below than 233 moving average symbol, we are going to look for sell opportunities, and it actually will be different from different time frames, so it will be absolutely different. As you can see here guys, now we're working on a real account, and this account is already we have achieved more than 600% in one single trade. We have been working with that indicator actually after making such of a huge of updates on this indicator. We have tested it on a 10,000 demo account actually. So we have, believe it or not, we have achieved making that 10,335,000 dollar within 4 trading days only. As you can see here, I'll go through the MyFX book. This is the demo account that I was talking about, and here the gain. As you can see, guys, we have gained 3,163% in four trading days only, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. All right, so let's check out how we made this and how we could do that and what was the purpose behind it. But before than that, let's go overview it a little bit. As you can see here, the trades, we have 310 trades. We have done 3,644 pip. um, as you can see here, the long ones as well, we had 254 out of 255, which means 99%. And the short one positions as well, 43 out of 55, out of 55, which is means 78%. So this is not all a coincidence. And why we made that much of profit actually because in every and each single trade that I entered, I was going full margin, so I can see that account can be margined or not. But trust me, like as you can see, guys, it's absolutely phenomenal, amazing results. Like not even close to be expected to be that way. Actually, I squeezed on that account to see like the advantages and the disadvantages and how it will work and how it will behave. But it shocked me with the results, and every day actually it's shocking us with the results, and it's proving itself every day and every day every day. So it's not a coincidence. It's not one time it happened or like this or that. I will explain to you how that is not a coincidence and how you can be affordable and profitable a trader as well. As you can see, guys, here, like most of the people definitely when they see like a flag like this one, which is like technical analysis, and they can see the breakout, they're going to buy from 150.446. 1.50.446, it was our first take profit. So we have already achieved to the first take profit from the first position. We have achieved more than 97 pip. Why you would lose 97 pip of profit and you get enter to the trade and buy a signal when you're too late? You have to avoid these things. So what it makes us different and what it makes the market maker map is a very dangerous indicator system in the market, and is very respectful. It's very huge, very big, very strong. Why it's making it different from any other indicators or systems? out there in the market. Because actually this indicator system, first of all, who invented this indicator system in the first beginning, it was Citibank. They're the one who invented this one actually, but they invented it in a standard options. We have took it, we have made for it an amazing updates. We have put the programmers to work in it to develop it as much as possible. We put so much sources in it to give us a very accurate information, instant tick by tick. We are taking the positions of the equity provider and the banks each second without any one tick delay or less or anything. We have it more. We have now divided it to equity provider. We divided it to the banks. We divided it to the companies and the hedge funds and the regular traders. All these options and all these orders, we can see it right now in our eyes using the market maker map. I will show you how we see the chart. As you can see here, these the green dots and the red dots. The green, it means the buyers, and the red dots, it means the seller. And these are considered as a highways. We consider these as a highways, all right? So all these dots in front of you or with your sign, it's cars, okay? Let's consider it as cars. As you can see here in the dollar yen, okay, it was actually it was going up, but now it reached to a resistant area, which is it will consolidate the price a little bit, and it will take it down for a little bit to 114.04, and it will continue to go up from that level because as we can see here, we have the buyers is supporting the buying positions, but it will retrace a little bit and then it will go up. As we can see here as well in the pound yen, that the trade that we are entering, we are into it right now in the real account. As you can see here, we had a resistant. It actually was green, but now it turned up to be a resistant because the sellers now they are appearing and they are being really hard and they want to retrace the price or they want to put it down, but there is a huge battle between 151.13 and 151.27. If these get green again, it will continue flying, and most probably it will continue flying because now the pound yen is now exploding. These are the defense levels of the buyers because they are standing over here 151.13, and we have it down here in 150.91. So all these are defenders of the positions that we are in currently, the buying positions, and we have very few sellers ahead of us. So the sellers, I think that they will lose this battle because now the buyers is defending their positions, and the most probability and the high probability it will go up, as we can see here as well in the euro dollar. I will make it big a little bit, as you can see here, because these guys, let's start from the left to the right. The left, it means the 1 minute chart. The one after the left one, it's the 5 minute chart and the 15 minute chart and the 1 hour chart. So all these buyers that we are now viewing through the time frames, because it's actually it depends on the time frame and depends on the buyer's size. We actually really we really care about the right corner, which is the 1 hour chart, because these people has the much fund. These people now they are just like scalpers, or now the price where it will go. As we can see now, the euro dollar is trying to push up a little bit, but it actually had some resistance from 1.1779, and there is another we expect the price to reach to 1.795, and from there to 1.1800, and from there it can retrace the price again down to 1.779 and to continue to go up, because this is what I can see in my eyes on this map. Because the great thing about this actually indicator system, that it shows you where your defense line, how you can enter to the trade, where to put your take profit, when the best time to enter to the trade. And the amazing thing in it, as you can see here as well, you can see now on the OC dollar, as we can see here, the buyers here in the L2 and L1, 77.7714, 7711, and we have our targets, it will be 7733, and it will be 7742. After 7742 we are going to face 7744, which we have sellers there on the 1 hour chart, so we have a very high probability the price will retrace from there and get down to somewhere to 0.7723 and to continue going up. And this is, we don't know, this is only just an expectation of the outcome, what will happen, but we never know what happened until it happens. So we just only trade what we see currently. If like I would like to enter to the trade right now, I would like to enter to this position currently right now here, and I will enter a buy definitely without any hesitation. I will put my stop loss just below 7701, as you can see here, and I will keep going for 7742, and I take my profit there, and from there maybe the price will continue going up or the price will retrace. I don't care. I just like take the pips that I can, like I'm talking about 25 guarantee pips, so we can get it and we can get out from that particular trade, and we can look for another trade, because this is how we work. We keep on jumping on the market, you know, because this is actually the actual traders what it's doing. All the traders around the globe, that they are professionals, and actually they are working with the banks, they know. And if some people from the banks now hearing me, they know what I'm talking about, that they don't enter just like other trades traders, that they enter for 80 and 90 and 100, 200, because this is will take them from time, and they will take them effort and continuation of waste of time. They are have to avoid. They have to make a quick money, they have to make a quick pips, and one day they make 100, 120 pips, and they will be more than happy, and they exit the market, and that's it for the next day. So that's why all the banks, the banker traders, they are very successful, and they are making actually the 5% of the people who are actually making the money, because the rest of the other traders, they are staying 24/5 in front of the chart. They are trying to find some trades, and they would like to have too much trade, and some people, they would like to stay in the market all the time, which is, this is the main problem and the main cause of the loss. Anyways, so I gave you a principal idea how this is happening and how we are taking the decisions. I hope that you guys understood a little bit about this, because I try to squeeze the information as much as possible and to make it summary as possible. So as we can see here, the pound yen, still till now, the pound yen, they are defending their positions, that they are trying to push the price to 151.32.153, and for sure that it will go to there. But till now there is a battle between 151.27 and 151.15. Let's see who will win right now, but there is a high probability that the buyers will win the positions, because there is so many buyers are located in the same areas. So I think the buyers, they want to squeeze the price and to push it up, and the retracement, it's not the time for the retracement yet, because the retracement would like to retrace right now, because, and this is the red dot there, as we can see, it's not just like a sellers, it's not the regular sellers, it's the sellers who are, they are taking their profits. So that's why the price will try to retrace a little bit, because there is so many buyers exited the market now in the pound yen. That's why who it's trying to put the price again, and now there is so many another buyers now, they are accumulating, and they are adding all their buy requests to push the price again. So they are taking it from the sellers, they are taking the the buyers, they are taking all the sellers orders, and they are buying it from them from that particular point, and they are going to push it up forward, if the buyers did not buy enough more than the sellers. So the price definitely are going to consolidate on this area, 151.27 and 151.14, or it will retrace to down. It depends on the size of the buy size, or it depends on the size of the buy side and the sell side. So now we can see that, but what I can see now in front of my eyes, and what I can conclude, that the price will continue going up until at least to 151.52, and from there it might retrace. But I think now there is so many buyers, they are entering, more people, they're getting interested from banks, from hedge funds, etc., etc. Everybody is buying, everybody is trying to push the price up. A lot of people that they are selling. So we don't care about these guys, we care about the big boys, where's their location and what they are doing currently. So as we can see here, like, the price is trying to retrace, and this is where our take profit 1150.446 and 151.279. As you can see, it hit our take profit 1 and hit our take profit 2, and as well that we have our take profit 3152.074. There we put our take profit. and we expect the price, and we have like most probability that the price will reach to 159.278, which means more than 1400 pips from our entry point. As you can see, guys, there is something is actually weird here, like in all other, even our other previous trades that we have entered. See, guys, how it respected our level from 151.279. Our take profit points exactly from there. It reached to it, it hit it, and it tried now to retrace it. Anyways, this is not the matter right now. The matter right now, see, from where we entered the positions, we entered from the bottom. We always buy from the bottom and we sell from the tops. How that happens, is that a coincidence? No, because if you go through the 310 trades that it has been posted, and I will put the link of the MyFX book on the description, so you can go through it and you can see the trades and the prices that we have entered and we exited in each and every trade, that you will notice all the time. Like, let's say, I'm not going to exaggerate the percentage, but let's say in 91 to 92%, that we always sell from the top and buy from the deep bottom. It's not a coincidence, because we have a technical analysis. We mix that technical analysis with the orders and the of the equity providers and the orders of the banks, and we go with them. That's it, as simple as it is. So that's why there are some people, they enter to the trade, like, let's say there's some people, they enter by position, let's say, of somewhere over here, like 150.224, and they are quite sure that the price will go up, etc., but they put their stop loss, let's say, 40, 50, 60, name it, 70%, the price will come down and they will hit its stop loss. See how many pips now? 108. And they get like really mad and they say, damn it, the price came down, hit my stop loss all the time, and now it went to my direction. I knew it that the pound yen is going up. I knew it. I have done my technicals. All right, everybody does their technicals, but no one can enter to the right position. How you can enter to the right time? How you enter with the wave? When the wave starts, see, guys, from where we entered from the deep bottom, from the first, before the news, we have entered the buy positions, and see what happened. The price has been exploded all the way back up and took our take profit, and it hit our take profit one, which was 150.446, and hit our second take profit 151.279, and exactly from there the price is starting to retrace. But I'm not going to close the positions. I'm going to keep them till it hits our take profits, which is it's 250 pips away. We have entered these trades like just only today. It's an intraday trade. You are making from, let's say, approximately 10 trades. In each trade you are making 250 pips. It's in a huge fund, like, oh my God, guys! Like, because like everybody who was entering to my FX book and who's watching what we have done, watching all the massive points that we have achieved, they goes like, man, that crazy, that mad. How could you achieve 3,000 something pips in a day? So let's say, so this is will be 2,500 pips. If our take profits will be hit, we're going to be achieving 2,500 pips only in one day, guys. Not every day you have to be in the market. You have to always watch the market. You have to do your technical or either fundamental, whoever likes to work with anything that you like to work with, it's not a problem, but you have to prove it with something can make you see the market maker. Because if you can't see the market maker, you can't understand the equity provider, where's their positions, what's the equity status, buy, sell, what the market wants to do right now, where the market wants the price to be right now, want it to go up till when, till which level it will reach, and it will start to retrace. You will never make any continually money. Maybe you're going to make a money with some strategy, work with it for a while good time, and suddenly you see the market maker is like striking you, and you're hitting your stop loss, and you're losing and you're losing and you're getting mad. Why? Because you're blind, my brother. Because you can't see the market maker a map strategy. You can't see what they are doing right now. You don't know where's their positions. Like some people, they would say, Muhammad, you're going to stay in the trade. Yes, definitely I'm going to stay in the trade, because all the symptoms and all the buyers, they are showing me that we are aggressively there. and we are going to push the price up. All what's happening right now is just a regular retrace, and the price will continue going up. Yes, in some place I will exit the market when this level 150.96 turn up to be red and stays there for like couple minutes, 5 6 7 minutes or 10 minutes. I will exit that trade because it will be dangerous retracement, and I don't wish that the price to go back all the way to retest the break in flag level, because this is might happen. This is not impossible to happen, but as we can see that the market is hungry. The pound yen has been exploded, angry, wanted to go up and to hit all the take profits, and definitely it will continue going up. Before I exit this, I would like to share with you guys why we have what was our technical analysis according to the pound yen, and why we choose the pound yen to be the first one that we are taking today, and why we have entered to the pound yen a buy signal, and why we are making sure that the pound yen it will explode and it will continue to go up. As you can see here, guys, on the technical analysis, we have a very clean and clear triangle. We have one touch, two touch, three touch, and we have a breakout, and we have a retest here, and now the price is going up again, and now once it will break 152.524, it will reach to 159.278. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's such a great trade. This is how we trade. Actually, we don't put too much effort in different and various currencies or pairs. We just like stay with one clean, clear, and great opportunity to trade on, and we stay with it. So I can know the price, I know the levels, I know the retracement level. I put it down, I put it in my notebook, I can notice it, I monitor it, so I can make a massive and a huge money of this invest on one pair, because now I have full information and full profile about this pair and full expectation, and I memorized all the candlesticks and how it's work. I'm above 233, below 233, what's my defense level, where can I strike again, where can I put another orders, where I say, all right, Mohammed, now we are reaching to a dangerous position, we have to exit now, and to get as much as we can from the market of the profit, and we say thank God, and we look for another opportunities. It's very amazing, guys. Nowadays, who doesn't have this indicator system, I seriously feel bad for you, because nobody can actually make money consistently and with continually without any problems, without having some tool to show you the equity provider status. Either it's buy, either it's sell, what they are willing to do, what they want to do. I wish that video gave you a summary information and a principal information about our indicator system, which is called the market maker map. It's absolutely amazing, phenomenal, and I wish all of you the profitable trades, and you have a great day. And I was with you. My name is Mohammed. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.